Welcome to another tutorial from Office24by7. In this session, we're going to set up an IVR flow for missed calls. Missed calls are one of the simplest yet most effective ways to capture caller details. When a customer gives a missed call to your business number, the system immediately records that call and responds with a voice message. This ensures the customer feels acknowledged instantly, while your team gets the details of the caller for follow-up. Let's go ahead and see how to configure this. Here in the Automation Setup panel, you can see that this is a very simple automation with just 3 nodes. Like every automation, we start with the trigger node, which is from object. Now, let's see the configuration. First, object type. We have standard object and dynamic object. Standard objects handle predefined communication and process tasks, whereas dynamic objects are for more custom, user-defined processes. Since IVR is a standard object, I'm selecting standard. Next, in the object dropdown, I chose communication.cloud-telephony, which simply means cloud telephony object in the communication module, because this is where all call-related functions are handled. In the record option, we can either create or update. I chose create since we're generating a new record for every incoming call. For call type, of course, it should be inbound. Then, I'll select the virtual number that should capture these missed calls. Now, once a call is captured, the caller needs to hear a quick acknowledgement. That's where the message file node comes in. Inside the configuration, I chose message type, voice. For voice type, I selected to caller because the message has to be played directly to the customer. Then, I selected the service number where I had already uploaded the audio in IVR add-ons. This auto-loads all available files. If you don't know how to add audio files, watch the related video from the link given above or in the description. From here, I picked the file. Here's what the audio looks like.
Thank you for calling us. Our team will get back to you shortly.
Finally, we connect this to the end node, because every automation should finish with a clear endpoint. Now, all the nodes are connected and the flow is complete. So here's what happens in real time. When a customer gives a call to your business number, the system instantly records the caller number, plays back a polite confirmation message, and makes sure your agents have the details to follow up later. That's how simple it is to set up a missed call IVR flow in Office 24by7.